Omukujaguza taresta ahabwenkambe y'amakenke okorerwa mu district ya Kisoro abatura bamanyisibwe ngo abana bashamirire okumanya aho barugire nahabweca abanyishengero bateho buryo bwona okushomesa abana history nubwo babone kundi hangari yabo.
There was a lot of work here during the colonial, those who resisted colonialism, those who came before us, because we don't come from heaven. We are products of history. And I would like to request our honorable members of parliament, please. Science and technology are critical. But I can tell you, history is equally critical. Otherwise, ntabwo muzimenye. Mukomeza kudiscouraging abana kwiga history. Ngo ni imigani. Iyo migani contains our history, who we are.
Dr. Firmon Mateke or chairman wa NRM muri Kisoro nagira ngo President Museveni ihangari ya Uganda rihire hare ombyentungukane byo kwerinda.
President Kaguta Museveni sincere. He has made us what we are now.
Still the same. I'm still this and
He has brought peace and prosperity in our country.
Aberi Bizimana orumukuru w'entebe ya katana wa district eji asimira amahega ya Uganda abo kwatanisa n'abaturage bihangeri.
But now I want to inform you that people can share with military officers food, and even when they are not in uniform, we share the other quinine without problems. And definitely we dance together and enjoy common life as if they are not really the army we used to see.
When we are seeing bullets flying into our neighborhoods in the borders, when we are seeing Nyakabande full of refugees, when we are seeing people fleeing their countries with nothing, the most recent from Goma, I looked at the people running. Sometimes we think those who are attacked are the locals, Basanabi, Basabate. When I looked at them, I knew that war is war. And when you see the peace that was ushered in by NRA, we shouldn't take it for granted.
So NRM is for peace.
Haji Abdul Sebyara ori umushikirwa mukuru w'ihanga wa district eji ayihanangiriza abaturo kundi hangari yabo.
NRM is not a joking subject matter. So the young ones don't forget NRM. You are what you are because there is a peace. Across the Congo, children are running around. Why am I emphasizing the young ones? Some of you take matters for granted.
General Kale Kayihura ahikira Hapotas Village yasimemero korwa ba UPDF kandi yabiyaraho n'umutugo kizishizo okoreka ngutareste yo mu Rwanda nena ahabwenkambi ya kabiri ekabyare mitomo y'Rwa reri boro mwaka Uganda neja guzabanyambonda berna mushanju abazahwiri hangeri kandi kireke n'ikijaguzwa berero mu kaga byo kwezi kwa kabiri gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.